Now we are going to assemble our naca duct into our car. So we have to open an assembly. Alright, okay. So in an assembly, if you open already your car as well as the naca duct, they will appear on this uh, part assembly to insert. But if not, you're going to browse and look for your part. Okay, so I'm going to insert the car. Alright, and then I'm going to insert also the naca duct. Alright, so this is my naca duct, so we can now assemble it. Alright, so we are going to make. So select the base of our mounting position. Alright, and then of course the face of the naca duct, the under. Alright, it should not be the, I think I select the wrong one, so I have to delete. Okay, and select the bottom part. Okay, so this is the bottom part. Alright, and then because now it's upside down, we are going to reverse it. So now it's already reversed, and then check. And then the hole, we are going to make it concentric. Okay, this hole, and then this hole of the naca duct. Okay, so make it concentric and then check. So if you notice, our naca duct is already there, so we can just rotate and align. Okay, now we can also make this hole concentric so that it won't move, and then this portion also. Okay, so concentric again. All right, so our naca duct is already in position. Okay, there are some overlapping, but never mind. This one we can fix later. All right, so the next thing to do is to put the screw. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on this assembly. So we are going to insert screws. To insert screws, we have to go to our design library. Okay, we forward, and then we go for the bolts toolbox. We select toolbox. Okay, and then machine screws. So I use the crosshead. So I want this screw. Okay, say drag and drop. So I put here. Oh, we have to cancel first our mating. Okay, then we make the drag and drop. So we make sure the size of the screw is the same as the hole that we put on the naca duct. So we put 10 mm as the size of the hole. So I use M10. Okay, so I use M10. So now the size of the screw is M10. Then we check. All right. So now we will tell you how many screw you want. You just click 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 5, 6 screws. So that's enough. All right. So we close it. Now we are ready to assemble. So we are going to mate it to the holes. Okay, to mate, we first the inner flange of the screw and to the surface of the naca duct to the base. All right, so our screw is there. It will be hidden already, so we check. Okay, so our one screw is already inside. It's there, so we are going to bring it out. Okay, because we cannot see. So the screw is here, so we notice that it is upside down, so we have to undo that part. So we have to delete this and we have to redo it because it's wrong. Okay, so we select again, then select again the face, and then we have to click this to reverse it. Okay, we have to flip. All right, once done, and then check. So it's already there. So we are going to make this cylindrical part concentric with the hole. All right, make it concentric. Check. So we do all this to the remaining pipe. So again, mate on the surface, and then again on one screw. Okay, we know it already. It's opposite, so we can do this. Ready? So the screw is there. It's again inside. Never mind. We can check later. All right, we go there on the side, and then we just select this cylindrical and select the hole of the naca duct. So let's say this hole. All right, and then check. So the second screw is there. We go to the third, select again this portion, and then the plans of the screw. So we know it already, it's opposite, so we reverse it or we flip it. So again, the screw inside, just check it, and then we go inside and select the cylindrical part of the screw, and then we select again one hole on the nakadak. All right, select. Okay, check. So another one, we go again, same procedure, we flip and then check. Now where is the screw? I think it's already again inside, so we select again this cylindrical area, and then we go again on the next hole. All right, and then concentric, check. So two more, select again, we go again here. All right, and then flip again, and then check. Then select again the cylindrical area. All right, and then select again the hole. Okay, it's there. So one last, select this face. Then we go again to the face of the screw. We flip it. Okay, and then we check. Then we go to the car. It's again under. We select the cylindrical part of the screw, and then we select the hole. Okay, and then done. So our nakadak is already assembled into the car. All right.